What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you guys a new dash cam that I just picked up off of Amazon. Now this dash cam that I just picked up is price point at around $60 as I'm recording this video. And the dash cam is called AZDOME, you guys can see. And this is the GS63H version of the dash cam, or of this brand. And it's pretty good. It has 4K, Wi-Fi, GPS, and a lot of other built-in features that's pretty good. So you may be asking, why am I getting a dash cam? Well, it's for obvious reasons, obviously, that there's been a lot of craziness going on in these streets, man. And I don't know what's going on, if it's the new drivers, if it's old drivers, or people just don't care. But it's just been a lot of craziness I've been seeing, and not to record it for like cloud or like internet purposes. Like, I just wanted to record whatever's going on around my car, just to make sure that I'm doing my part in driving safe, and if anything will come to like an accident or anything like that, I'm fully protected. Obviously insurance is gonna, you know, play a big part, but it's also gonna play a big part who wins the case if you have proof that it wasn't your fault. You get what I'm saying?
Okay.
So I just decided to get a dash cam, man. All my other builds always had a dash cam inside of them, and I've been driving this car for a couple months now, and you know, I just think it's no better time than now for me to get a dash cam. So what I'm going to be doing today is showing you this as a small video of me installing this dash cam. It's not rocket science. I'm obviously not going to leave it with all the wires hanging and stuff like that. So I'm just going to show you how I'm going to tuck it, how I'm going to wire it, and if anything, I'll just show you guys some clips. So I don't really have anything negative to say about this brand. As I said, it's pretty good. It has 4K. And the reason I say 4K is because when you transfer the video from the dash cam via the memory card to your computer, it's gonna look like 4K. But once you try to upload it to like Instagram or YouTube and stuff like that, it's gonna be a little choppy. Like the resolution is not that great. But if you want to see license plates, or if you want to see the cause of an accident before it happened or while it's happening, this dash cam will be able to provide that. As I said, there's other dash cams out there that's price point at around $100, $200 plus, and you know, they all do the same thing. So you don't really have to break the bank and get in like a very expensive camera, unless you like running Uber and stuff like that. If you're running Uber, I would suggest you getting the dual camera that has the other side that records the inside of the cabin or the inside of the car, and you have the other side that's obviously recording what's in front of you. I'm not running Uber, so I don't think I need that. I don't really have anybody in the car to begin with. Like, if you can see my back seats, it's like it's brand new leather. So I'm literally the only one that be in this car. So I just want to record what's in front of me and making sure I'm doing my part in driving safe. So let's unbox this dash cam and see what's inside. All right, so this is how it comes. This is the dash cam. Oof, this looks pretty good. This looks pretty good, man. It's definitely plastic, but it has a nice balance to it. It has a nice weight to it. You got the 4K right there. Brandon right here. It's not bad. If you guys can see it. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's dope. That's dope right there. All right, so I'm gonna leave this one for right now. And I'm gonna finish tucking this. the pillar back slightly. You don't want to do too much on it. So we'll try to gently run the cable down here. That's the same. Good to go. It is cold today, boy, I'll tell you that much. I'm recording this video on a bad day. It's supposed to snow. It's like 30 degrees outside right now. I'm trying to give you this video. I'm trying to give you this content. Pulling back out the suede liner because it got tucked inside while I was tucking the wires. Back out, and there we go. All nice and neat. I just want to get in here and see if I could tuck it without removing these panels. I'm not even too sure this panel could remove. I'm going to tuck it in this nice little crease that we have here. Wouldn't even know it's there if I didn't record it. Nice. So as you can see, it's all tucked away and it's down under the glove box. Put up connections and just want to connect it. And 12-volt power socket is right under here. There. So that's what I'm talking about. What I did was just tuck it, made a small little knot, tuck it back here. I wired it straight across the fuse box panel and down underneath right here. And that's how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see it. Now, don't mind this little wire right here. I am gonna fix that. But this is as neat as it's gonna get as of right now, because I'm not gonna hardwire it to the fuse. Obviously, I'm just going to use this 12-volt power socket right here to power the dash cam, and I'm going to leave the dash cam on parking mode, which is it's pretty much gonna, once the car is off, if somebody touched the car or like shoved the car or somebody backs up and damage the bumper, the camera will come on and the camera will be able to record the license plate, or for me just to see the type of vehicle it is.